Alright, today I'm going to show you how on your LG phone specifically, or Samsung because there's an app for that, you can disable all bloatwares and disable apps. Not get rid of them, disable them. It basically freezes them so they're not there. They're still there. They just won't run and they won't show up on your home screen. They won't take up any RAM or anything like that. Alright, super easy. You need one app for this. It's right here on my screen. Package Disabler Pro. And let's go into that. So when you first download it, you're going to have to authorize it. When you go into it, it's going to say, do you authorize this? And it'll take you to the settings. It does cost money. It's a couple bucks, but it's well worth it. Your phone will run so much better after you do it. So after you download it, go into disable all bloatwares. And when you click it, it'll disable bloatwares. I think mine were like 26. Disable all bloatware. Okay, I've already done mine. It's going to re-disable them now. Okay. It pre-establishes what's bloatware in your phone, but if you want something that it disabled, all you got to do is just click it again, and it'll bring it back up. And I'll show you how to do that right here. All right. So let's say it disabled, Xbox, for example. That's not bloatware, but let's say you want it re-enabled. All you got to do is just unclick it and give it a second. And when you go in, there it is. Xbox pop right back up. If you want to disable it, click it again. And voila, it's gone. It's really good for pesky apps like Facebook, Instagram that they put on your phone automatically that you have no choice whether you want to take it or not. It takes up RAM, takes up memory. It'll make your phone run slower. Privacy is the main issue for people these days. So, like let's say for Facebook. Now, like I said, if you ever want it back, all you do is just click it again and it'll come right back. Not a big deal. It's great too for apps that, like, let's say you only use like once or twice a month, like Zoom calls. I'm only on Zoom like once or twice a month. Let's see. And there we go. Voila, gone. Like I said, if you want it back, you just go in there and you can even search for it. Little search button up there. Facebook, unclick. There we go. Now with that, there's an app like Facebook will have other things like Facebook Messenger. There's all kind of other processes. You can get rid of all of them. A couple things I got to mention. Number one, if you want to uninstall it, there's a process you have to go through to uninstall it. Okay, go into the app. I'll actually show you that. When you click uninstall right here, it'll walk you through the process of uninstalling it. Okay, not a normal uninstall. Second, don't disable an app unless you know what it does, because you could be disabling things from your phone that cause it to run, and your phone could be temporarily bricked and you have to reset the entire thing. It won't ever permanently damage your phone, but it'll damage it to the point where it'll be unusable until you reset it, and then you'll lose possibly all of your information. So a couple things to worry about right there. Other than that, great app, amazing. I think I paid like $3 for it or something. There's a specific LG version, there's a specific Samsung version, and then there's a generic version. There might be other ones also. I'm not sure. I don't have them. The one you want for LG is the one that's on my screen right now. Think it's still in the App Store. If it isn't, just type it in Google, APK Package Disabler Pro, and you should be able to find it.